You are watching CoinDesk Daily. I'm your host, Sam Ewen. Texas has officially started capitalizing its state-based crypto reserve, purchasing $5 million worth of BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust. While the state is still finalizing the infrastructure for the Texas Strategic Bitcoin Reserve, the Comptroller's Office described this ETF purchase as an opening move to secure a position while the custodial contract is developed. Lee Bratcher of the Texas Blockchain Council noted that the state successfully bought the dip, acquiring the position at an $87,000 price point. Texas is now moving faster than federal efforts, as the Trump administration's National Reserve Plan remains in the planning stages awaiting congressional action. Utility or privacy? The transparency of traditional blockchains forces a difficult choice. Break free from this limitation with Midnight. CoinDesk Bitcoin Treasury Month is brought to you by Genius Group, a Bitcoin treasury company listed on the NYSE under the ticker GNS. Looking for the best way to unlock your crypto's liquidity? Take out a crypto-backed loan with Figure today. Also buying the dip is ARK Invest, as the firm continued its aggressive accumulation strategy, buying millions in crypto-linked stocks. Cathie Wood's firm deployed roughly $7.6 million into stablecoin issuer Circle and $1.5 million into Bullish, the parent company of CoinDesk. The fund also added nearly $4 million in Coinbase stock. The purchases come as Bitcoin hovers near 87,800 and crypto equities face a broad monthly decline. This extends a buying spree that began heavily on November 20th, with ARK seemingly viewing the current market softness as a prime entry point for long-term holdings. A federal court in Nevada has delivered a potential blow to the prediction market industry, ruling that federal regulation does not automatically exempt platforms from state gambling laws. The ruling against Kalshi declares that event contracts on sport outcomes are not swaps under the Commodity Exchange Act. Judge Andrew Gordon stated that federal status cannot be used to bypass Nevada's gaming regulations and taxes, explicitly aiming to protect the state's casino economy. This decision challenges the core legal theory that CFTC registration acts as a shield against state-by-state compliance. If the ruling survives appeal, prediction markets may face a complex patchwork of state gambling laws rather than a single federal license. That's it for CoinDesk Daily. Get more updates on CoinDesk.com, and we'll see you next time. Break the cycle of exploitation. Break down the barriers to truth. Break into the next generation of privacy. Break free. Free to scroll without being monetized, free from censorship, freedom without fear. We deserve more when it comes to privacy. Experience the next generation of blockchain that is private and inclusive by design. Break free with Midnight. Visit midnight.network/break-free. CoinDesk Bitcoin Treasury Month is brought to you by Genius Group, a Bitcoin treasury company listed on the NYSE under the ticker GNS. Genius is building toward a 10,000 Bitcoin treasury and just launched Genius Academy, featuring courses from Safety and Namus and more. Start learning for free today at geniusacademy.ai. Genius Group. Genius isn't measured in IQ, it's measured in Bitcoin. Looking for the best way to unlock your crypto's liquidity? Whether you're funding a major purchase like a down payment on a home, investing in new opportunities, or even buying more Bitcoin, Figure makes it straightforward and transparent. Take out a crypto-backed loan in the Figure app today.